Hello everyone, we are the Hanap Sarap team. Our group members are Petro Jairus as a team leader, Bulado Kevin as a programmer, and Valencia John Patrick as a content writer, and me, Lechuga Cyrus as a designer. Ang website namin, Hanap Sarap, ay ang ultimate guide mo para sulitin ang iyong free time malapit sa City College of Calamba. Kung naghahanap ka ng lugar para magkape, mag-relax o mag-enjoy, nandito kami para magbigay ng personalized na recommendation at honest reviews. To bring this idea to life, we utilize tools and technologies such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to ensure a seamless and user-friendly experience for everyone. Let's dive in and explore the features that make Hanap Sarap the perfect companion for your free time.
For the overview of our website, the purpose of Hanap Sarap is simple: to help students and visitors discover nearby places to eat, relax, or have fun, all tailored to their unique preferences. Whether you are a student looking for a quiet cafe to study or a visitor exploring the area, Hanap Sarap make it easy to find exactly what you need. Ang aming misyon ay gawing convenient at reliable ang bawat rekomendasyon, kaya sigurado ka makikita mo ang swak at pasok sa iyong pangailangan at oras. Parang kanino nga ba ang Hanap Sarap? Ang target audiences namin ay students na madalas naghahanap ng quick, cozy spots for study breaks or group discussions, visitors na first time sa lugar at gusto mag-explore ng hassle-free, locals na gusto ng bagong ideas para sa dining at leisure pero limitado ang kanilang oras. Let's dive into the two key features that make our website stand out. First, the personalized recommendations. Gumagamit kami ng location-based suggestions para sigurading relevant at practical ang bawat spot na makikita mo. Kung may isang oras ka lang or buong hapon, Hanap Sarap adapts to your schedule. Second, time-saving functionality. Sa dami ng choices, importante ang makatipid ka sa oras. With our curated suggestions, madali ka makakahanap ng perfect spot without the guesswork. Next is the main sections. The homepage is clean and welcoming, showcasing the top recommendation at a glance. Ang aming navigation system ay may intuitive menus and filters para mabilis ka makahanap ng options. Budget-friendly, cafe, study spots, or fun hangouts. Isa naman sa mga highlights namin ay ang location-based search functionality, ensuring to get the best options possible. For content and our strategy, we focus on two things: creating honest information and reliable content, and building trust with our users para confident kang bawat suggestion ay sulit at maasahan. Lastly, the design elements and accessibility. Our design ties everything together. Vibrant color scheme na cool at inviting, user-friendly layouts na responsive, kaya madali itong gamitin kahit nasa laptop or phone ka. Feature that enhance accessibility and interactivity for a seamless experiences. So, to summarize the overview, ang Hanap Sarap ay combines functionality, authenticity, and design para gawing effortless and enjoyable ang pag-discover ng best spots near the City College of Calamba. Whether naghahanap ka ng quick bite, peaceful study sessions, or fun hangout, Hanap Sarap is here to guide you every step of the way.
To demonstrate the user experiences, kunyari, isa akong CC student na vacant hours. Pupunta tayo sa home, sa service. Napipindot po yung mga navigation po. Button, categories, about, tsaka contact. Pagpasok po natin categories, meron po tayong apat na pamimilian. Billiard places, coffee shop, court place, at tsaka itinerary. Sa billiard place po, ito po mga lalabas. Na malapit lang po ito sa CCC, sa Barangay 3, 4, 5, 6, at Banyadev. Sa coffee shop naman po, kunyari po 50 pesos lang po yung budget ko. 50 to 100. Pag in-apply nyo po yan, wala po. Kasi dapat po 200. Yan. Minimum lang po sa barangay trails po, 2 sa 4. Pag pinindot nyo po yung isa dyan, lalabas po yung address niya. Google Map link po. Sa Billiard po, ganun din po. Kunyari gusto kong pumunta ng AG Square. Ang link niya po ay Burgos Street, 100 per hour. So po makita nyo rin po kung saan po ang CCC. Ito yung mga malalapit po sa kanya. Yun lang po.
With that, we have the homepage, navigation bar, and budget panel, and are created in HTML. The design is made with lighter tone of color for upbeat mood. It was created in CSS, and for our user to experience fast, positive, and ahead of time planning with our website, we make sure to have JavaScript in it. Masasabi ko na kapag naghahanap ka ng mabilisang pampasigla na malapit lang, huwag mag-alala. May website ako para dyan. Dito ka na sa Hanap Sarap kung saan ang malapit na kasiyahan ay mahahanap mo na.